Good morning students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Our today's topic is perspective view of 3D objects. So, what exactly perspective view is? It is the art of representing 3D objects on a 2D surface. Perspective viewing of a 3D object means to know how does it look like in 2D shape. We can notice in the given drawing that the objects get smaller as they move away from the observer. For example, if we look at full moon in the sky, it looks like a small ball. It is only because of its very large distance from our eyes. And also, we can observe that the objects which are evenly spaced appear to get closer. Lastly, we can notice that the parallel lines of the road appear to meet after some distance. That is point P, and this is called vanishing point. Why do these lines appear to meet at a point? The viewing position is called the eye point. The rays from the eye point at a given distance form angles. These angles keep on decreasing with increasing distance from the eye point. At a certain distance, the angle becomes 0 and the parallel lines appear to meet. This is the vanishing point. Now, let's study the different perspective views of a cube. You all must have observed that whenever we see an object from different angles, we are able to see different faces of the same object. Let's take the example of a cube. Here, this red line is known as the horizon. That is the level at which a viewer sees an object. This is also known as the eye level. If we see the cube from the horizon, its vanishing point will be in the center of the smaller square, that is the point O. When the cube is above the level of horizon, we are always able to see the bottom face. Whereas when the cube is below the level of horizon, we are able to see the top face always. Now, our next subtopic is floor map and deep drawing. A floor map shows the position of windows and doors in a house or a building. Figure A signifies a floor map. Whereas deep drawing is a special way of drawing a house or a building which gives the details like length, breadth and height of a building. Figure B signifies deep drawing. Students, now I'll be showing you some perspective drawings that you can practice. You can write your name, draw scenery or any shape. I hope you understood the concepts taught. Thank you.